Boom shakalaka! While everyone is concerned about the infrastructure bill right now, Bitcoin has just done something that has confirmed the continuation of the bull run, something that we predicted 2 weeks ago. Stay tuned. What's up everyone? Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we are talking about Bitcoin doing something today that confirms the second half, the continuation of the bull run, how we predicted this 2 weeks ago, and what is likely to happen in the future. Also, we'll briefly go over the infrastructure bill. But before we get into that, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Also, come join us over at Twitter to win one of these free shirts. Let's try and get to 1,000 likes. We can do it. Now, 2 weeks ago, we were talking about how Bitcoin had a dropping RSI right here. And as soon as it broke through back on July 22nd, we were saying, hey, this is it. Time to buy. Last time this happened, price went up dramatically. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin's already up 50% since then. But that's not all of it. If we take a look today, Bitcoin has broken out on 2 very significant levels. Okay, it's not only broken out from the downtrend from the top at $65,000 and $60,000, but it's also broken out of this sideways megaphone that has been in for quite a while. Breaking out of both of those, guess what? There's really no more resistance going up. But everyone seems to be concerned about what's going on with the infrastructure bill right now. And it makes sense. The White House is weighing in on a last-minute dash to modify a set of cryptocurrency tax provisions in the bipartisan infrastructure bill. The provisions are designed to help pay for the repair of roads and bridges, among other projects, by clamping down on the potential tax evasion through the use of cryptocurrencies. They just want their money. It's not a big concern. Guess what? Every time that you could pay a government in a certain type of money, that legitimizes the money. Just let the government have their money, and then guess what? That legitimizes cryptocurrency, and then it can moon dramatically. So while everyone seems to be up in arms about this right now, I think they're missing the bigger picture. And I will agree with Elon Musk for one time, where he says this is not the time to pick technology winners or losers in cryptocurrency. There's no crisis that compels hasty legislation. It's just a bunch of old people who don't really understand what's going on, and they think that it's still criminals trying to evade taxes. And, you know, paying taxes is kind of paying the golden goose that laid the egg. Like, it allows you to do stuff, but some people don't want to pay it. Whatever. You do you. Now, what's going on in the background is more important. This is what's going on. Crypto whales shifted $5 billion in Bitcoin. They just shifted $5 billion of Bitcoin, more than $111,000 of Bitcoin being moved. There is something big going on. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin jumped above $43,000 for the first time since mid-May as the crowd stopped being bullish. This is one of the best indicators for the beginning of the new bull run. William Clemente said it a couple days ago. He said, nice full reset of dormancy flow. Noobs have almost been fully purged. And we can see every time this down here drops all the way to the bottom, that is when the reset happens. You can see after previous times, every time price runs up dramatically. Guess what? It just happened. And proof is in the pudding. Right here, Alex Becker. I followed his channel for like 8 years. All of a sudden, about, I don't know, back in October, he started posting about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Now he quit. Proof is in the pudding. It's the beginning. Now, on a macro view, 90-day moving average of coins moving to Mr. Ashley, about to cross bullish. Guys, I know this move was big. From 30,000 to 45,000. I know it was big, but it hasn't even started. If we take a look at this here, every time this happened, you can see this purple line down here, every time it crosses bullish, look at what happened when it crossed bullish last time. Bitcoin went from like $8,000 to $65,000. Look at what happened this time. Look at what happened this time. Every time, parabolic run up. And as a matter of fact, this time, the price being at $42,000, the leverage is completely shifted. There was insane leverage, insane noob FOMO going on there. Now the leverage is completely reset. So if you are still in the market, guess what? It's going to be an awesome ride. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin EA Nupple flashed green on an upward move, first time since October of 2020. Like I've been saying for weeks, like I've been saying since the last time this broke here. Okay, it basically reminds me very much of October when it went from yellow to green, and shortly after the price went ridiculously high. So what can we actually look for? When is this going to go until? And what prices can we look for? Well, if we take a look at btcpredict.monex.pl, this is saying $266,000 by September 22nd. That's kind of soon. If we take a look at Willy Woo's Bitcoin price models, right now looking at about $165,000. And I myself have a couple theories on when we will see a top. Now, there's a possibility based on Trading Shot's golden ratio. September 22nd will be the top. It could happen. If you guys think back to 2017, November, December, it was 2 months and it was over. So that's a possibility. Also, second possibility, end of the year, December-ish, because historically, December, January tends to be a peak type of time period. Now, third option would be sometime around March, when the Ethereum staking is released. That could cause a massive, catastrophic sell-off, end of the market. I think either September, December, or March. And I'll tell you what I'm going to be looking at specifically. First thing is this website, cbbi.info. Right now, confidence we're at the peak, 58%. If we take a look at this, guess what? It was at 100% each of the last peaks. So this is one thing I'll be taking a look at, and you can even adjust certain indicators to find out exactly what. But the best indicator I have found that has been right 4 of the past 4 times is the pi cycle top indicator. I will definitely be keeping my eye on this one to know when we are close to the top, because I don't think it's going to stay that long for a while. We'll probably go up, have a blow off top somewhere between $100,000 and $300,000, and then come back down to somewhere around 80,000 ish to ride out there until the next cycle. Now, for all of you guys who aren't interested in Bitcoin and you want some altcoins, guys, check out these videos I've made. Type in Crypto Love 100x. Guess what? On average, these picks I've made, on average, are up 38%. There's how many videos I made? 1, 2, 3, 4. On average, up 38%. The highest one, over 80% up so far. So you definitely want to check out these videos. There will be another video, the next 100x pick, tomorrow, so you'll definitely want to stay tuned for that. Thank you all for joining me. I do hope you enjoy what's going on with Bitcoin. I know I do. We're in for a wild ride, and it is going up. I would not worry too much about this government tax stuff. They just want their money. Just give them their damn money, and then we can make a ton more. So thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us over on Twitter. Let's get 1,000 likes. Love you. Peace.